Have you ever wondered what is an or exosolar planet? Exoplanet that is very interesting. As the 18th part of Astronomy 2026, subscribe, like, and share the Have you ever wondered what is an exoplanet? What if I told you it's an interesting subject that most of you don't really focus on? When it comes to astronomy, you always say something important or interesting. Come, just give me a little of your time for learning together, setting your feeling up, and getting more knowledges as far as concerned one part of astronomy. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. I am Dorelas Mitcha here. As the 18th part of Women and Girls in Astronomy 2026, we choose to dive in this subject that is the following question: what is an exoplanet? You are watching this video, or if it's your first time on this channel, I invite you to subscribe, like, and share the video just to get you informed for the upcoming others. Don't forget to leave a message just to say from which country are you following us. I will rely on you and thank you for doing it. By the end of this video, you'll be by and large able talking about an exoplanet and say what it is. So let's get started.
When we look at the night sky, we see thousands of stars. For a long time, scientists asked an important question: do planets exist around other stars? Today, we know the answer: yes, they do. And these planets have a special name: exoplanets. An exoplanet or extrasolar planet is a planet that is located outside of our solar system. Instead of orbiting our sun like Earth or Mars, an exoplanet orbits another star. Our solar system has 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. But in the universe, there are billions of other planetary systems. Since the 1990s, astronomers have discovered more than 5,000 exoplanets. Some are larger than Jupiter, others are small and wacky like Earth, and a few might even have conditions that could allow life. But this raises an important question: how can scientists detect planets that are so far away? In reality, exoplanets are extremely difficult to see directly. They are usually very small and very close to their stars whose light is extremely bright. So, astronomers use indirect methods to detect them. One of the most important techniques is called the transit method. Imagine you are looking at a bright light bulb. If a small object passes in front of the light, the brightness becomes slightly dimmer for a moment. This is exactly what astronomers observe. When a planet passes in front of its star, it blocks a tiny portion of the star's light. Sensitive telescopes can measure this small decrease in brightness. If this dimming happens regularly, it is strong evidence that a planet is orbiting the star. This method has allowed scientists to discover thousands of exoplanets, especially with space telescopes such as the Kepler Space Telescope. Another important technique is called the radial velocity method. A planet doesn't simply orbit its star. In fact, both the planet and the star orbit around a common center of gravity. Because of this, the star makes a very small back and forth motion. Astronomers can detect this motion by studying the light coming from the star with very precise instruments. When the star moves toward us, its light changes slightly. When it moves away from us, the light changes again. These tiny variations often reveal the presence of an unseen planet. Today, Thanks to these techniques, scientists discover new exoplanets almost every week. Some of these planets are located in what astronomers call the habitable zone. This is the region around a star where temperatures could allow liquid water to exist, which is considered an important condition for life as we know it. The study of exoplanets is one of the most exciting fields of modern astronomy. It helps scientists explore one of humanity's biggest questions. Are we alone in the universe? Perhaps one day, with new telescopes and advanced technology, we will discover a planet very similar to Earth where life could exist. And who knows, the next great discovery might come from our young scientists like you, because the universe is vast and there are still many worlds waiting to be discovered.
And right now, it's not my time anymore, it's your time. The time to test your intelligence, just to see if you were focused on what I said. The challenge question is, what is